By the end of this video, you'll know the 10 powerful foods that can rebuild collagen naturally, reverse visible signs of aging, and make your skin glow like you just stepped out of a time machine. And here's the secret. You don't need expensive creams or injections. The fountain of youth is already sitting on your plate. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a smoother, firmer version of yourself. The kind of glow that doesn't come from makeup or filters, but from within. That's what collagen does. Collagen is the structural glue of your body. It holds your skin, joints, and even your bones together. But after the age of 25, your collagen levels drop by about 1% every single year. By your 40s, that loss becomes visible. Wrinkles deepen, joints ache, and skin loses elasticity. But here's the good news, you can turn that process around naturally. Certain foods can reactivate your body's collagen factories, helping you restore what time has taken away. Let's dive into the 10 anti-aging foods that rebuild collagen and keep you glowing from the inside out. And food number 1 might just surprise you. It's something most people overlook every single day. 10. Bone broth. Let's begin with what many call the fountain of youth in a cup. Bone broth. It's not just another warm soup. It's a centuries-old remedy that rebuilds your body from the inside out. When bones are gently simmered for long hours, they release a treasure trove of nutrients, gelatin, glycine, proline, and collagen peptides, all essential for restoring your skin's elasticity, joint strength, and even gut balance. Think of bone broth as a liquid version of your body's repair kit. Every sip sends collagen-building blocks straight to your cells, helping smooth out wrinkles, cushion aching joints, and fortify your bones. Studies have shown that the amino acids found in bone broth can stimulate collagen production, reduce inflammation, and even promote better sleep, because your body repairs itself most effectively when you rest deeply. And here's the fascinating part. Your skin and gut are closely connected. A healthy gut means fewer toxins, less inflammation, and clearer, more radiant skin. Bone broth supports both, acting like a silent healer working around the clock to rebuild your body's structure. So the next time you crave comfort food, skip the instant noodles or canned soup. Instead, simmer some real bones, chicken, beef, or fish with herbs, garlic, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. The result? A rich, golden broth that not only warms your body but restores your youth from within. But what if you're plant-based? Don't worry. The next food will show you how nature offers a collagen boost without a single drop of animal stock. 9. Citrus fruits. If collagen is the structure that keeps you young, vitamin C is the spark that makes it all possible. And that's where citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits shine like nature's own skincare formula. Vitamin C is more than just an immune booster. It's the essential cofactor in the creation of collagen, your skin's strongest and most vital support protein. Picture it as the spark plug in an engine. It connects amino acids like proline and glycine to form the triple helix, the elegant spiral structure that gives your skin firmness and resilience. Without vitamin C, that process simply stops. Your body cannot produce or repair collagen efficiently without it. But its magic doesn't end there. Vitamin C also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting existing collagen from destruction caused by UV rays, air pollution, and chronic stress. Every squeeze of lemon on your salad, every sip of orange juice in the morning, helps neutralize free radicals that silently age your skin. Over time, this means fewer wrinkles, stronger blood vessels, and a natural, healthy glow that no cosmetic can replicate. And it's not just about skin. Collagen is also what keeps your bones, tendons, and joints strong and flexible. When you nourish your body with vitamin C-rich foods, you're strengthening your entire support system from within. So next time you feel tired or your skin looks dull, reach for a slice of orange or a glass of warm lemon water. You're not just hydrating, you're reigniting your body's ability to renew itself. But collagen isn't just about the face. The next food protects something even more essential, the very foundation of your mobility, your bones and joints. 8. Salmon. When it comes to anti-aging nutrition, few foods can rival the power of salmon. This vibrant pink fish is often called beauty food, and for good reason. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, the essential fats that keep your skin hydrated, supple, and resilient, like natural moisturizers that work from within. Every cell in your body has a membrane made of fat, and when that membrane is rich in omega-3s, it stays flexible and strong. That means your skin cells can hold more water, giving you that youthful, plump appearance that radiates health. But the benefits don't stop at beauty. Omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatories, and chronic inflammation is one of the biggest enemies of collagen. It silently breaks down collagen fibers, leading to sagging skin, stiff joints, and premature aging. By calming inflammation, omega-3s act like a protective shield, preserving collagen and encouraging new growth. And here's another fascinating detail. That beautiful pink hue of salmon comes from astaxanthin, a rare antioxidant found in marine algae. Astaxanthin has been shown in clinical studies to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin elasticity, and even protect against UV damage. It's like internal sunscreen paired with a natural age-defying serum. Eating salmon 2 or 3 times a week can nourish your skin, strengthen your joints, and boost your collagen levels from the inside out. Whether grilled, baked, or added to a salad, it's one of the most delicious ways to support your youth and vitality. But collagen can't survive on fats and protein alone. It needs minerals to hold it all together, and the next food provides one that most people are dangerously deficient in. 7. Eggs. Eggs may look simple, but inside that fragile shell lies one of nature's most complete packages for skin renewal and collagen repair. They're not just a source of protein, they're collagen blueprints, providing the very amino acids and minerals your body needs to rebuild itself from within. The egg white is especially rich in proline, one of the key amino acids your body uses to assemble collagen fibers, the threads that keep your skin firm, smooth, and elastic. Without enough proline, your body struggles to knit together new collagen strands, which leads to slower repair and early signs of aging. Meanwhile, the yolk carries its own secret power: sulfur, a mineral that strengthens the cross-links between collagen fibers, making your skin structure more resilient. Sulfur also plays a vital role in detoxification, helping the liver flush out toxins that dull the skin and trigger inflammation. The result? A clearer, brighter complexion that reflects internal health. Beyond skin benefits, eggs support your hair, nails, and connective tissue, giving your body the raw materials it needs for total rejuvenation. Think of them as tiny construction workers, showing up each morning to repair, rebuild, and reinforce every layer of your skin and body. So, the next time you prepare breakfast, remember, those 2 boiled or poached eggs aren't just fuel. They're a daily investment in your youth, strength, and glow. Mini hook. And if you think eggs are impressive, wait until you meet the fruit that can make your skin glow in just a week, naturally and deliciously. 6. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These vibrant little jewels are far more than just a sweet snack. They're your skin's protective shield, nature's own defense team guarding your collagen from the daily stress of life. Every handful of berries is packed with antioxidants, particularly a group called anthocyanins, which give them their deep, rich colors. These compounds are incredibly powerful. They neutralize free radicals, the unstable molecules that damage collagen and accelerate aging. Oxidative stress, caused by pollution, UV rays, and even poor sleep, silently weakens collagen fibers. Over time, it leads to sagging, dull skin, and premature wrinkles. But berries help fight back. In one fascinating study, people who consumed more berries regularly showed firmer, more elastic skin and visibly fewer fine lines. That's not coincidence. It's biology in action. Berries also improve microcirculation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients flow efficiently to your skin cells. This means better repair, faster regeneration, and that unmistakable healthy glow that radiates from within. And because they're rich in vitamin C, berries also assist in the actual production of new collagen, making them a double weapon against aging. So the next time you crave something sweet, skip the processed sugar and reach for nature's candy instead. Blend them into your morning smoothie, sprinkle them over yogurt, or enjoy them fresh by the handful. Every bite is a small step towards smoother, brighter, more resilient skin. And now, Let's talk about the food that does something truly remarkable. It helps your body make collagen even while you sleep. 5. Garlic. It might surprise you, but garlic, that humble kitchen staple, is actually one of the most powerful natural collagen protectors on the planet. Beyond its strong aroma and flavor, garlic hides a potent blend of compounds that help preserve your skin's strength and youth from within. Garlic is rich in sulfur, an essential mineral that plays a key role in collagen synthesis. Without sulfur, your body can't form or maintain collagen effectively. It's also loaded with taurine and lipoic acid, two incredible compounds that help repair damaged collagen fibers and protect existing ones from breaking down under stress. These nutrients act like bodyguards, ensuring your collagen network stays firm, flexible, and unbroken. But that's not all. Garlic also improves blood circulation, meaning more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your skin cells. This enhanced flow promotes faster regeneration and gives your complexion a healthy, natural glow. Think of garlic as a quiet healer, working beneath the surface while your skincare creams handle the outer layers. Together, they form the perfect team, one protecting the foundation, the other polishing the exterior. And if you're worried about the strong scent, remember, even small, consistent amounts can make a difference. Add minced garlic to soups, roasted vegetables, or a drizzle of olive oil, and you'll be feeding your body the tools it needs to stay youthful. So while most people chase anti-aging through serums and creams, true renewal often starts in the kitchen, with something as simple and powerful as a clove of garlic. But collagen protection is only half the story. To truly stay youthful, your skin also needs deep hydration, and the next food locks in both moisture and collagen in perfect harmony. For avocado. If youth had a flavor, it would taste like avocado, creamy, rich, and deeply nourishing. This beloved fruit isn't just delicious. It's one of nature's most complete anti-aging foods, working like an internal moisturizer and skin protector all in one. Avocados are loaded with vitamin E, one of the skin's favorite antioxidants. It shields collagen from oxidative stress, the invisible enemy caused by UV rays, pollution, and daily stress that breaks down skin structure. But that's only part of the story. Avocados also contain glutathione, often called the master antioxidant, which helps neutralize free radicals before they can damage your collagen or DNA. This powerful combination keeps your skin firm, resilient, and protected from premature aging. Then there are the healthy monounsaturated fats, which work as natural lubricants for your skin cells. They strengthen the lipid barrier, sealing in moisture and giving your complexion that soft, plump, dewy appearance that most people try to achieve with expensive creams. But here's the beauty of it. Avocado works from the inside out. It hydrates your cells, nourishes your tissues, and supports collagen synthesis at a deeper level. Try adding half an avocado to your daily routine, in salads, smoothies, or even mashed on whole grain toast. Within weeks, you'll notice your skin feeling smoother, more hydrated, and subtly radiant. You'll feel the glow long before you see it. But we're not done yet. The next food doesn't just support collagen. It can actually switch it on, triggering your body to produce more of it naturally. 3. Leafy greens. When it comes to building collagen naturally, leafy greens are your skin's best friend. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are more than just healthy vegetables. They're true collagen activators. Their secret lies in chlorophyll, the green pigment that gives plants their color and has been shown to boost collagen precursors in human skin. In other words, every bite of greens helps your body lay the foundation for stronger, smoother, and more youthful skin. But the magic doesn't stop there. These greens are also rich in magnesium, folate, and antioxidants, powerful nutrients that defend your collagen-producing cells from oxidative stress, one of the biggest enemies of youthful skin. Over time, this protection helps your skin stay firm, elastic, and radiant, even as the years go by. And if you've ever noticed that people who eat a lot of greens seem to have that unmistakable inner glow, it's not your imagination. That glow comes from better circulation, detoxification, and enhanced collagen renewal working together beneath the surface. Start simple. Toss a handful of spinach into your morning smoothie, mix kale into your lunch salad, or saute Swiss chard with olive oil for dinner. These daily habits quietly turn on your body's collagen factories, keeping your skin hydrated, resilient, and luminous. The next food? It's sweet, satisfying, and surprisingly powerful. A natural dessert that keeps your skin young from the inside out. 2. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Chocolate can actually be good for your skin, as long as it's the dark kind. Dark chocolate is loaded with flavonols, powerful antioxidants that defend your skin from UV damage, boost circulation, and help preserve the strength and structure of your collagen fibers. When collagen breaks down from sunlight, stress, or aging, your skin starts to lose firmness and elasticity. But the flavonols in dark chocolate act like a shield, neutralizing free radicals before they can harm your collagen network. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your skin, giving it that smooth, healthy, almost airbrushed appearance. In one remarkable German study, participants who enjoyed flavanol-rich dark chocolate daily for 12 weeks saw 25% less skin roughness and significantly higher hydration levels. In other words, chocolate didn't just taste good. It literally made their skin softer and more supple. Just remember, not all chocolate is created equal. Look for varieties with at least 70% cocoa content, and keep your portions modest. A small square or two a day is enough to nourish your skin without overdoing the sugar. So next time you crave something sweet, skip the candy bar and reach for a piece of dark chocolate. It's not indulgence. It's delicious self-care for your collagen. And finally, let's finish with a fruit that embodies youth itself, bursting with natural power to restore your glow from within. 1. Papaya. Papaya isn't just a tropical treat. It's one of nature's most powerful anti-aging secrets. Every bite is loaded with vitamin C, beta-carotene, and papain, a natural enzyme that gently dissolves dead skin cells, clears dullness, and speeds up collagen renewal. This unique trio works in harmony to keep your skin bright, smooth, and youthful from the inside out. Vitamin C acts as the key spark for collagen synthesis, while beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant, shields your skin from sun damage and oxidative stress. But papain is where the real magic happens. It helps your body rebuild collagen more efficiently, ensuring new, healthy fibers replace old, weakened ones. The result? Skin that looks firmer, more even-toned, and naturally radiant. Regularly enjoying papaya, whether fresh, in smoothies, or as part of a fruit salad, can noticeably reduce age spots, fine lines, and dryness. Its enzymes also support digestion and detoxification, which reflect directly on your complexion. So when you reach for papaya, you're not just eating fruit, you're nourishing your body with renewal itself. It's a gentle reminder that lasting youth doesn't come from creams or injections. It comes from within. Because when you feed your skin right, age becomes nothing more than a number. So, those are the 10 anti-aging foods that rebuild collagen and help you stay glowing at any age. You don't need miracle creams or overnight serums. Just consistent nourishment from real, whole foods. Start small. Add one of these foods today, 2 tomorrow, and in a few weeks you'll start noticing subtle, beautiful changes. Smoother skin, stronger nails, less stiffness, more radiance. Because real beauty doesn't come from what you put on your body. It comes from what you put in it. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who deserves to glow too, and comment below which food you'll start with today. Your body has the blueprint of youth, and with the right nourishment, it knows exactly how to rebuild it.